In our Eye on Money series, the IRS is warning taxpayers about the top 12 tax scams it calls the Dirty Dozen. The agency is announcing one fraud each day. And this morning, the IRS is revealing its latest scam on the list, dishonest tax preparers. It's previously announced identity theft, phone scams, and phishing scams. These three appeared on last year's list as well. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here with what you need to know this tax season. Jill, good morning. Great to have you here. Let's start with phishing email scams because they jumped 60% from 2017 to 2018. What should you do if you do get a suspicious email?
Well, first of all, you have to recognize it is a suspicious email. And this is what's tricky because sometimes an email comes from something that's close to an organization that you know. So you know the kind of the gig here. There's a website, you click on it, asking for information, and you give up that information. Then the fraudster uses your information, files a fraudulent return, gets the refund sent to him or her, and then when you go to file your taxes, oh my God, a return has already been filed. So what do? You don't open anything that looks remotely suspicious. It's really important. You don't click on any hyperlinked websites. You don't open attachments. You absolutely should forward this to the IRS. It's phishing@irs.gov. Delete the email. Be safe. You know, this happened to my dad. I actually put this in the book, and it was like the essence of the smart person who does something really dopey. Hey, I heard from this organization before. It looked like an organization he had given money to, but it was different.
We conduct so much of our life over email these days, so how can you tell if you do get a real email from the IRS?
Well, first of all, there are some of these fraudsters are so canny that they're using IRS forms in the email header. And so one thing that's really important is that you go to irs.gov, and if you've got some form number or claim number or issue number, that you then can say to the IRS, hey, is this real? So again, so much information at irs.gov. Please use it. It's actually your tax dollars at work really well.
Phone scammers targeting consumers as well. You said what you said in the green room, hang up, right?
Hang up. Okay, so this is really important. It's not just your landline anymore. It is to cell phones, and these are robocalls, and they are really aggressive. So what you're going to find is that if someone is on the phone and they say, I'm from the IRS or I'm from a collection agency, that's your red flag. The IRS generally will not call you and start a conversation this way. It's so important. So you want to hang up, be careful, don't give information, and any question at all, just say no. Hang up.
There are a lot of mean and unethical people in this country, Jill, and it doesn't always happen at tax season, year-round. Everyone
all year round, and the scams change a little bit, but be on alert.
Great points. Thank you, Jill.